ACCA versus CFA versus US CMA. Now let's talk about the origin of these courses. So ACCA is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Now this is the most forward-looking accounting body in the world, headquartered in the UK with terrific presence in more than 179 countries across the world. If I talk about CFA, the CFA program, which is the Chartered Financial Analyst program, is offered by the CFA Institute headquartered in the US, with once again amazing global recognition when it comes to investment programs. And when you talk about US CMA, this is the Certified Management Accountant program. Now, this is offered by the IMA, which is the Institute of Management Accountants headquartered in the US, with again great global recognition. Now, what is the scope of these qualifications? So, ACCA is focused on global business and finance, while CFA is focused on investment analysis, portfolio management, and capital markets. CMA, on the other hand, is again focused on business and decision making. Now, when can you begin? ACCA qualification, technically, you can start after grade 10, but there are many entry routes such as after grade 12, after graduation, after CA Inter, after CA Final, and so on. If I talk about CFA, you can start preparing after grade 12 when you're on your first year, and you can write the first level exam when you're on your second year of graduation. And if I talk about US CMA you can write anytime after grade 12. Now let's talk about the time involved to do these courses. If you talk about ACCA, now it really depends on how many papers you do. But let's say if you're an undergrad student and you start after grade 12, you will take about 2.5 to 3 years to finish the qualification. If you started after graduation, you will take about 2.5 years to finish the qualification. On the other hand, if you look at something like a CFA, which you can start after grade 12, you will take about 3.5 years again to finish the qualification. If you talk about US CMA, you take about 1 year, comfortably 12 to 14 months to write both the parts of the exam. Now let's talk about levels and exams. So ACCA qualification has got 3 levels: knowledge, skills, and professional, and you need to do a total of 13 papers spread across 3 levels. But I'll tell you, in most cases, a lot of students are eligible for certain exemptions, and you don't land up doing all 13 papers because certain papers go exempt. On the other hand, if you look at CFA, it's again spread across 3 levels, level 1, 2, and 3, and there is no concept of exemptions. If you look at CMA US, you've got 2 parts, which is 2 exams to complete. Now let's talk about the investments. If you want to do ACCA, you need to invest anywhere between 4 to 4.5 lakhs. If you want to do CFA, you need to invest anywhere between 4.5 to 4.75 lakhs. And if you want to complete your US CMA, the total investment is anywhere between 1.3 to 1.5 lakhs. And this is total figured, okay, which includes registration, exam fees, coaching fees, everything put together. Now, if you want to know about what kind of packages you can earn having completed this course, and most importantly, which could be the right one for you, please book a one-on-one counseling session on the number splashing. Our counselors will reach out to you and help you make an informed decision.